Hoorah! And before you go, don't forget, you can't bring no smoke, you better deal with it. Hi there. I'd love to help you explore our AI, lean, and agile options.
Nope, SassiE, we're not being technical today. I need you to help me design a simple 3-day workout routine that's full body, and be sure to print it out on the screen.
Sure, let's create a simple 3-day full body workout routine. Here's a balanced plan you can follow. Day 1.
SassiE, what do you see on the table?
I see the F2 bar, the ALLN-1 Band, the ChainBeasts, and the rtHooks on the table. Would you like me to help you assemble them together?
How's this?
That looks much better. Your elbows and your arms are aligned. Keep your core engaged and your back straight. Now press forward smoothly and bring it back with control.
Wait a second, SassiE. Now that I see that you can actually build it, I want to hear you train me like you're my drill sergeant. How would you train me if you were a drill sergeant to keep me motivated through this routine?
All right, listen up. We're going to push through this 3-day full body routine with focus and intensity. Day 1, we hit squats, 3 sets, 12 reps. Push-ups, 3 sets, as many as you can give me.
I need more
Day
motivation
2.
there, SassiE. More motivation.
All right, listen up. You want motivation? Here it is. Day 1, you hit those squats like you're building the foundation of a fortress. Push-ups, you knock them out like you're pushing the ground away.
That's what I'm talking about, SassiE. Just like that, just like that. Now show off. How would you be a drill sergeant in French? Speak to me in French. Tell me how to do it.
D'accord. On passe en mode sergent-instructeur en français. Écoute-moi bien. Tu vas te donner à fond. Jour 1, tu fais ces squats.
SassiE, show him who's the boss. Be my drill sergeant in German.
Alles klar. Jetzt wird's ernst. Und ich sage dir auf Deutsch, wie du richtig durchziehst. Los, ran an die Kniebeugen. Sauber und tief. Keine halben Sachen.
Back to English, SassiE. Back to English. Come on. Almost home.
Roger that. Let's push through to the finish line. Keep that intensity up. You're almost there. Let's go. One more round. Strong and steady.
Outstanding. This is the difference between a chatbot and a chat consultant. SassiE, you are amazing.
Thank you. I'm here to keep you motivated and on track. Let's crush those goals together. Hoorah! And before you go, don't forget, you can't bring no smoke, you better deal with it. You can't bring no smoke. Drill Sergeant SassiE, reporting for duty.